Alright, we got a Maytag washer here. It's got a leak. There's your motor. I got the front off. You can see there's your motor. Here's your pump. It leaks right there. Turn the light back on. As you can see, that hose is coming off the tub there. So what we need to do is push that hose back up and tighten that clamp back on and see if it stops the leak. Using a 5/16 nut driver. Alright, I pushed it up as far as it'll go. Tighten the clamp down with my 5/16 nut. And that should take care of the leak. Let's put some water in it and see what it does. Put the water in. Come down here.